You have a new model. She lives in Europe, but you want to target the USA. Or maybe you have a team in the Philippines managing your DMs. Your first instinct? I'll just buy NordVPN for $10 a month and set the location to New York. Stop. You are about to make a critical infrastructure mistake that could wipe out your entire agency. While VPNs are great for privacy, they are disastrous for OnlyFans management. I have audited dozens of agencies who lost their top creators because they didn't understand the difference between a VPN and a residential proxy. Today, I'm going to save you from getting banned. Let's scroll down to the section, the VPN trap. OnlyFans has a sophisticated security team. They know that 99% of fraud comes from anonymized connections. Here is how they catch you. Look at point number 1, Datacenter IPs. When you connect to a standard VPN, you are routed through a server farm. OnlyFans maintains a database of these server farms. When you log in from a known datacenter IP, your trust score drops immediately. You will face constant CAPTCHA loops and shadow bans. Now look at point number 2, the shared IP problem. A single VPN server can host 10,000 users at once. If just one of those users is using a stolen credit card, the entire IP address gets blacklisted. By using a VPN, you are sharing your reputation with thousands of strangers. It is professional suicide. And finally, the nightmare scenario, chain bans. Look at point 3. VPNs change your IP, but they do not hide your device. OnlyFans tracks your canvas fingerprint, your screen resolution, your graphics card driver. If you log into account A and then account B using the same VPN on the same Chrome browser, OnlyFans knows it is the same person. If one account gets flagged, they ban them all. So what is the solution? Scroll down to the professional solution. 7-figure agencies use static residential proxies. A residential proxy is an IP address assigned by a real internet service provider, like Verizon or AT&T, to a real home. When you connect via a residential proxy, OnlyFans sees you as a legitimate user sitting in a living room in Miami. Your trust score is 100 out of 100. Let's compare them side by side. Scroll down to the VPN versus residential proxy table. Look at the first row. Residential proxy IP source is real home ISP. Commercial VPN is data center. That is the difference between being marked as trusted or flagged. And look at the device hiding row. A proxy combined with an anti-detect browser hides your fingerprint. A VPN does not. So, here is the verdict. Scroll to the bottom of the page. If you are serious about OnlyFans management, a $10 VPN is a liability. Investing in a proper residential proxy infrastructure costs about $40 a month per account. Compare that to the cost of losing a $10,000 a month account because you were cheap. Secure your business. Use the right tools. I've put the links to the safe residential proxies we use in the description below. If you want to keep your account safe, smash that like button and subscribe. Now go fix your security settings.